Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw cherry and rainbow hearts. Let's start drawing. I start with cherry. I'm drawing its stem. Trying to draw and paint with me. And also leaf. Let's draw some hearts to the left and right. I'm going to use the colors of rainbow. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Red. I love drawing and painting so much. It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Brown. Green. Let's paint hearts. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Purple. It looks so great. See you on the next video.